Now, your local weather authority forecast from Chief Meteorologist Chris Yates.
Welcome back. It's been another good day across the region. Our skies mostly clear to partly cloudy. Just a few high clouds out towards the west on our Brave Loss Center camera. 76 degrees, light northwest wind at 6 miles per hour, and the Illinois River is now approaching flood stage just shy of 18 feet. Flood warnings are in effect up and down the Illinois River until further notice. Thankfully, really not expecting much in terms of impacts unless you're down near Havana, where moderate flooding continues to be forecasted for the next week or so. All right, temperatures are in the mid-70s for most. A little cooler out near Galesburg at 72 degrees, but a few high clouds moving on through. And that's really just about it for now. These showers and storms out in Iowa should remain to the west. We'll be looking at some opportunity, though, for some showers and storms later tonight as a warm front heads our way. Meanwhile, western Texas, parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, scattered thunderstorms now beginning to develop, where once again they are under the gun for severe weather. And severe weather is going to be rearing its head across the Central Plains tonight. A warm front lifts north, brings us a chance for some showers and storms after midnight, and then another opportunity for rain and storms tomorrow. Now, the overall risk for severe weather tomorrow remains low and highly conditional. That said, there is a level 1 threat in place for most of the area for some stronger thunderstorms from 3 p.m. to midnight. We might be able to narrow down that window more once we get into tomorrow, because whatever is going to happen tonight is basically going to dictate just how widespread the potential for severe weather here locally will be. Regardless, right now, hail up to the size of nickels, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And even though the tornado threat is very low, a brief one cannot be completely ruled out. And again, that would happen tomorrow afternoon and early evening. Here's Feature Track. We'll set this into motion. Pretty quiet through the evening hours. After midnight, that's where things start to change at least a little bit. I don't think everybody's going to get some rain, but we will see some at least spotty showers and storms moving through as that front begins to lift a little further north. Temperatures into the low to mid 50s, 57 degrees here in Peoria and Bloomington. Tomorrow, the warm front continues to surge its way further north across central Illinois. That will then result in the atmosphere destabilizing a little bit. Scattered showers and thunderstorms becoming more widespread west of the Illinois River by early evening. Before those storms arrive, should be quite warm, feeling like summer with temperatures in the low 80s for most of us. Peoria, 83 degrees, 85 for a high in Lincoln. Showers and thunderstorms continue as we head through tomorrow night. Could be some locally heavy rain, but for the most part, a lot of us are going to see some lighter rainfall amounts unless you get caught under one of those stronger thunderstorms. 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of rain is probably a good rule of thumb, with the heavier, steadier rates of rain expected just to our west. Behind the system, cooler air filters in, and we'll be looking at highs back into the 70s by Friday. Things looking fairly quiet aside from some spotty showers and storms this weekend. The weather pattern does trend more active early next week with multiple storm systems heading our way, a steady feed of moisture from the Gulf, and that means we're back to a pattern where storm chances will be daily and we'll have the occasional chance for some severe weather. Here's your extended forecast from 83 tomorrow to 73 on Friday. Daily chances for thunderstorms pretty much off and on through the weekend and early next week.